Hey guys, it's Danielle. I am going to do a review over the 12Little 3-in-1 fold over unisex tote. It is a mouthful, but this is a mouthful kind of diaper bag. So I did a video showing how we packed this bag for our zoo trip, and I wanted to take the time out to just talk about the features of the bag, what all it had to offer, and hopefully help you guys make a decision on if this is a diaper bag you feel like would work for you and your family. I will say that I do love this bag. I've been impressed with the quality of the bag so far, how it has held up. So we have actually reached out to the company and decided to try to carry 12Little products at our boutique play space. So I will have more information about that as that unfolds. So let's dive right on in to the features of this bag. This is the 12Little 3-in-1 tote. So first we'll talk about the ways that you can carry this bag. So it can be carried 3 different ways. You can carry it with the handles by just picking it up and going. It comes with this strap here, and as you can see, I have it in backpack style right now, so you can wear it in backpack style. The cool thing about this is super easy to take this out of backpack style and put it into messenger style. So it just has these little clips right here, and you just simply unclip it from the clips. It has 3 clips on it. One more. And then you take it and you clip it onto the D-rings on the side. And now you can carry it in messenger style. And it folds over, which is why it's called a fold over, 3-in-1 fold over tote. So it folds over, which makes it super comfortable and easy to carry in messenger style. We will talk about the outside of the bag. So on the outside you have the 12Little logo, which is just a very simple logo, nothing too fancy or stands out if you're not a flashy person. Very subtle. It's just black leather straps on the zippers, and again it's unisex, so great for if you're out, you have it, dad can carry it. So super versatile. There's 3 pockets located on the front of the bag. This front pocket is about a hand deep. So I keep my cell phone in there, and then I keep some pens in there, and I usually will throw my receipts or anything else that I might gather throughout the day in this bag. It's just easy to get to, easy to access. And then on each side are these huge, and when I say huge, I mean huge bottle pockets. I don't think I've ever seen bottle pockets on a diaper bag this big in my life. So right now I have my 17 ounce swell bottle in there, and I just want you guys to see how much room is still left in this pocket. This bottle, my arm, and then there's still another arm. So you could easily fit 2 and probably 3 water bottles in here, or baby bottles, without a problem. And they are insulated pockets, and both sides are huge like that. So I love, there you go, I love this because I have 5 littles that still need water bottles, and 1 that still needs a sippy cup. And so I can easily put all of our water bottles in here and carry them all in one bag, and I'm not worried about it trying to keep up with water bottles. And then on the very front is a little zipper here. In here I usually just keep keys. I will also stick membership cards in here when I'm going somewhere where I know I have to show a membership card, like Costco's or the zoo, anywhere where I'm going to have to pull out a card and show to somebody. The other cool thing about the 12Little bags is on the back of the bag, at the very bottom, is a little hidden compartment that goes across the bottom of the bag. And as you can see, that is a pretty long and deep pocket. So I love this because you can stick your wallet in there, if you want to, and then that way it is up against your body and nobody can have access to it. People won't even know it's there. If you're traveling, you can stick your passports in here. You can stick any important documentations, your plane tickets, whatever. It was all nice and hidden in this little Inspector Gadget pocket is what I like to call it, because again, nobody would know that it is there. So that is a cool little extra feature that this bag has. And you can also probably fit your changing pad in there as well if you didn't want to keep it inside of your bag. So that is the outside of the bag. To show you the inside of the bag, and I currently have this bag packed with sugarsnap files. We took a trip to the water park, and I figured I would carry my sugarsnap files because they do have the opening and the mesh lining, so if we got sand in it or anything like that, when I was taking them out, I wouldn't be concerned about it. They would be super easy to rinse off and move on with life. And here I have 4 of them out of the 5 because I don't use the diaper one yet. And as you can see, I still have literally all this room on top to put stuff in. At the water park, we had our water bag packed, so I didn't really have to put anything else in there. But I could have totally used this space and put more stuff in this bag just to show you how much this bag can hold. So I will start pulling these things out. So of course I have my supplies. I had my me and mine bag in there. Of course my socks. You guys know I don't go anywhere without my socks. And then I have my jujube Be Ready, again packed as a supply bag. And then you have inside the 12Little, you have 4 pockets. So you have 2 elastic pockets. These pockets are on the back side of the bag, and those are elastic. So again, you can put more water bottles in here, or baby bottles, or whatever you want to put in there. And they are pretty big. In this pocket, I was able to fit my little umbrella as well as my glasses case. And then in this pocket, I was able to fit my wallet in there. So you can see these pockets are huge. You would be able to get any size bottle or water bottle if you needed more water bottle space. Then I'm gonna turn it around. This is the front side of the bag. And you again have 2 pockets here. And these are not elastic. These are just standard pockets. But again, huge pockets. I was able to fit in this pocket the Lotions and Potions sugarsnap file. So you can see, hopefully, how big that pocket is. So I have that stuck right down in there. Then in this pocket, I just had our little coupon book for if we went to eat dinner while we were out and about. So those are those 2 pockets. And then right here along the front, you have this nice huge zipper, which also goes across the length of the bag. So a pretty big zipper. Right now in here, just our medical kit. So now I have my small set piece from the Be Ready. I have that in there. And then I have my little Coach wristlet stuck in there. Just so you can see how big this pocket is. And that zips up fine. That is the inside of the bag. Again, this bag, you guys, it is just so huge. I mean, I cannot express how massive this bag is. If you have multiple kids that you are packing for and you carry tons of stuff like I carry, you just cannot go wrong with this bag. So that is my review of the 12Little 3-in-1 fold over unisex tote. I love this bag. The pros to this bag would be that it is huge. Easily you can fit all of your stuff inside of this bag. So I love how huge it is. I love the bottle pockets. I love the fact that I can stick my water bottle, my husband's water bottle, my kids' water bottles, all in this bottle pocket on the outside of the bag that is easy to access. The kids can get in and out of it. So I love that. If you're breastfeeding, you can store your milk in here and have plenty of room to store your milk in there when after you're done pumping, if you're somewhere where you don't have a refrigerator. So I just love the bottle pockets. I love that you can carry it 3 ways. Having options is always a great thing. I love that it's easy to take off the backpack style and quickly put it into messenger style. So if you need to change it up really quickly, you can do that. I love that it has the little tote, so when I'm getting in and out of my car, I can just pick it up and then sling it onto my back. The inside, I mean, you just don't get any better than this bag and the massive size of the inside. I love how I can pack everything up down in there and still throw a sweater for me or my kids, or when the bump pops, I can throw our carrier right on top. So when we're getting the baby out the car, I can just grab the carrier off the top, put the baby in the carrier, throw this on my back, and keep it moving. No fuss and all of that good stuff. The cons, I would say, would be the size. I mean, this is not a bag you're gonna carry if you just have one child, or if you're just going on a quick trip, you know, to the grocery store. This isn't gonna just be your kind of everyday bag that you can carry around. The other con is when it is super packed, the bag itself is super lightweight. I mean, it is a lightweight bag. But I have noticed when I have it packed to capacity, it can get heavy. The straps on it are super comfortable, so I'm not feeling any cutting or weighing down on it, but the bag does get super heavy. And because it's such a big bag, you have the tendency to pack it to capacity. Other than that, I love this bag. There are not too many cons that I can think of about this bag. I really do love this bag. And again, if you're looking for a big bag to carry and be able to put all your stuff in one bag, this bag is going to do it for you. So there you have it. That is the 12Little Fold Over tote. If you guys have any questions or any other ways that you've been carrying the bag or anything like that, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button and sticking this process out with me. Love chatting with you guys, and I will chat with you again soon.